Okay guys, just a little update. As you can see, I'm setting out my street racing vids, and I'm going to be running my 3 police cars. So my first shell's done. I already had that done before. So just a little tips and tricks guys if you need to do yours. So in these shells you have these tabs. You can see where the lights go. There's even them there. I don't know if you can see them. See them little tabs sticking out. You've got to pull them out. There's some in the back as well. So basically you've got to pull them out so you can put your LEDs in. It seems pretty simple. It's not that simple guys, trust me. So one is like, you know, when you have a wobbly tooth and your kid and you just keep wiggling it. One is you can keep wiggling it and trying to get it out that way. It's pretty painstaking guys. I found, and this is just me, I found putting a pair of scissors in that. I tried doing pliers and everything like that. Tweezers doesn't work. But I found putting a bit of RC scissors into the tab that's sticking out, and then just push upwards, and hear the whole light units coming out. But that's alright. That's not bad. But yeah, so that way you can push it up and you get the thing out. So I'll show you on this one. The thing with these police shells is, guys, they're really quite old. So there you go. I found that's one of the easiest ways to do it. It took me ages to figure that out. Tweezers didn't work. You end up breaking the little tab off the end, and it's a real mission to try and correct it. So yeah, that works really well. Okay, and when you've got them all out, they look like that. And I've got my light kits. I've got different ones. So with these, the light kits are actually made up. They're not plugged into the car. There's batteries in here. Alright. And you've got your on switch here. And so this is one for a taxi that I've got. I've got my 2 whites, 2 amber, 2 red. And with the taxi, I found that there isn't any tabs at the top. So basically I drilled 2 holes into the top, and I'm just going to push these lights and hopefully either hot gun them with the glue gun, or I might glue them in. But it's more brighter than I actually wanted, but does the job. So the sign's kind of illuminated. Sorry guys, a bit blurry, I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, you get the idea. And the other lights will go, you know, they'll just fit. These are 3mm light bulbs, and the others will just fit in over here, and our car's away. So yep, that's one set of lights. You can get these made. There's a seller on eBay called Fast Track LED, and he did that. And I think next time if I was to buy lights, I'd get shorter wires because that's really long. Okay, that's them. With my police car ones, when I made the police car ones, I had them as 3 flashing blue and 3 flashing red. And then I thought, no, I'd like to keep them on constant and just have a red and blue flashing. You could have white in there. Alright, this is my Japanese police car. Alright. So I've got Japanese, I didn't realise, but they've got red flashing beacon. So yeah. Now this car was a mission because there was no tabs. So I've had to drill stuff. Had to drill into the back. This handle's pretty cool, man. This little handle, and I've drilled into the light there. So when I fit this in, it will go into the light here. Show you in a minute guys, 1 minute. Now let's get this pushed in and I can show it to you. Right, then 2 at the top. So yeah, so the bulb's going to protrude a little bit. Right, you can see that. And then I'll have my 2 at the top. So you can get this configured the way you like. This is where I've done mine. Now my only issue is going to be alright. The only issue is the front now. I've got to figure something out, because there's no tab and they've got this dumb thing sticking out where you'd want to put your light bulb. That's a real mission. My second option is to push it through this grill here, which it will do, and have it like that, which I might just do for ease. Okay, so onto the American police cars. So, yep, as I say, I've done this as constant lights, but with just the red and blue flashing. You can have it as white, but if you've got the same colour light in the police bar, it flashes loads better. So here we've got blue flashing, red flashing, yeah, and the rest is just going to be on constant. So when I've got this car sorted, I'll have the red in the red, oh, not in the blue, red in the red, and blue in the blue, and that's how they're going to be looking there. And the other lights will be on constant, which I thought probably better. I have another one with the flashing lights on all the time, but I don't know, I just thought this might just be better on a driftwood, having these lights on constant, flashing ones, and my rear ones on constant as well. As I say, these are really long wires. I think they've made them for 110 scale cars, but I suppose if I would have asked him, he'd have made them a lot shorter. But that's the whole thing set up. So we've got our constant rear lights, constant front, flashing blurred. I didn't know he could do that. I didn't know you could have flashing and constant on the same configuration, but you can, which is, I think, is going to work out pretty cool. So yep, so I've just got to, with this now, my second shell, I've got to pull all these tabs out and do the same thing. And the next time you should see it, guys, should be all wired up and ready to go. And we should be looking pretty cool. And I should have my Japanese cars ready as well. So, yep, just wanted to share that with you guys. And I'm just finishing off this, remember my trophy Renault Megane Trophy RS car. All I did is just glue the tabs in. I've glued the windscreen sheet in and mirrors, that's all. And now the rest of it's just all screwing stuff in. So just the spoiler to screw it in, the bottom diffuser to screw in, and then I'm not sure what the lights are. I did want to put a light kit in, but I do not like what they've got. They've got a grey cover. The rears are okay because they've got this orange, ready kind of brake light cover, which is good because I can still get a light underneath it. But the front aren't very good. I don't know who designed this, but it's not compatible with a light because it's opaque and it's grey, so you're not going to see any of the lights coming through. So this is, for some daft reason, that's already coloured in silver. You're not going to see any lights. So the dilemma is, do I just leave it? I just love that, man. That's looking beautiful. Beautiful. Leave that there. You can see it. So, do I leave it just... But that looks daft as well. I could drill a bit of a hole and have a light bulb protruding between them two holes there, but it's not going to have no case over it. It's going to look a little bit weird with the yellow light. I suppose I could colour the yellow bit in black and have a white. I think I'll do that. I'll colour the yellow bit black where the actual light is, and then make a hole and have the white light sticking out. I think that's a better option. And the back I'll just drill another hole and have the red LED sticking out from there. And that's basically it. That's what I'm up to so far. And stay tuned because this little bad boy is going to be in the next race vid that's coming up. I apologise if it's too dark. The sun setting, I said I wasn't going to make any more videos with the sunsets, but I thought before I do it all, there might be somebody out there who's interested to know, you know, how do you sort your police cars out, what LEDs are putting in there, and how do you get them bugger little fake lights out. So that's basically it, guys. I hope that was helpful to somebody. Anyhow, stay tuned, guys. It's going to get crazier. It's going to get better. You're going to love what's coming up. Alright, guys. Stay cool. Stay RC tuned. Mossy 5734. Stay subscribed, notified, and be ready.